In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Fashion Glow model and style app from Google Play Store. So if you have been trying to install this app but you are encountering hiccups or challenges, then let me show you how you can fix this problem once and for all. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Google Play Store app. So go to Play Store from your Android smartphone and first log in with Gmail to search for your app. So if you are unable to install it while logged in, then you need to go ahead and click on your profile icon and go down to settings, then go to network preferences and choose this option, app download preference, and make sure you choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to connect to any network that is available or use the available network to download apps. To save changes, go to OK, and at this point go ahead and try downloading your app and everything should be okay. However, if you're still unable to fix this, then the problem might be with Play Store itself. For that, you need to go ahead and access Play Store app info by long pressing on the app. Then you should see app info, or depending on the smartphone you are using, you may see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of the three and now you will have an access to Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Google Play Store. And of importance is this cache data. You can see currently I have 2.46 MBs, and this might be the reason Play Store is malfunctioning and unable to install apps. At this point, you need to go ahead and clear the cache data by tapping on clear data and then cache, and finally okay. So don't worry, you'll not lose any information once you are done. Now go ahead, restart your smartphone, open Google Play Store, and now search Fashion Glow like this. Here's our app, and try now to install it. Now, as you can see, I'm able now to install this app without any issue. So this is how you can fix can't install Fashion Glow app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.